Yes, friends, how's your life going on? Today we are going to talk about active and passive voice. Earlier we talked about some tips of active and passive voice. Today we will go in detail, right? So, first of all, present tense. Okay, if we talk about present, past, future, okay, it has they have four categories: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay, so first of all. Let's talk about present. Okay, I make tea. Okay, I make tea. Okay. So how to convert it into passive voice? Tea is made by me. Tea is made by me, right? In passive voice we have to use verb third form. Okay, earlier we discussed in a video that we have to use third form in passive voice. Next, if we talk about negative, okay, tea is not made by me. Okay, if we talk about interrogative, is tea made by me? Is tea made by me? Okay, so I make tea is made by me. Okay, tea is not made by me. Is tea made by me? Okay, next let's talk about continuous. Suppose that I am making tea. I am making tea. Okay, so how to convert it into passive voice? Tea is being made by me. Tea is being made by me. Okay, in continuous we have to use being and verb third form. Okay, and is mr helping verb we have to use, right? If we talk about negative, tea is not being made by me, right? If we talk about interrogative sentence, is tea being made by me? Okay, so simple sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Okay, in continuous. Okay, let's talk about perfect. I have made tea. Okay, I have made tea. Okay, so how to convert it into passive voice? Tea has been made by me. Tea has been made by me. Okay, we have to use been and verb third form, right? And if we talk about present perfect continuous, okay, normally we do not make the passive voice of perfect continuous. Okay, so we will make passive voice of indefinite, continuous, and perfect. Okay, so let's move to past tense. I made tea. I made tea. Tea was not made by me. Okay, tea was not made by me. Okay, if we talk about sorry, I made tea. Tea was made by me. If we talk about negative sentence, tea was not made by me. If we talk about interrogative, was tea made by me? Okay, tea was made by me. Was tea made by me? Tea was not made by me. Earlier we talked about perfect. Okay, I have made tea, right? So tea has been made by me, or tea has not been made by me, or has tea been made by me? Okay, here past tense, I made tea, tea was made by me, tea was not made by me, was tea made by me? Okay, it is present perfect. I have made tea, tea has been made by me, tea has not been made by me, has tea been made by me, right? Next, go to past continuous. I was making tea. Okay, so how to convert it into passive voice? Here we go. Tea was being made by me. If we talk about negative, tea was not being made by me. If we talk about interrogative, was tea being made by me? Was tea being made by me? Okay, I was making tea, tea was being made by me, tea was not being made by me, and was tea being made by me? Okay, so in past tense we have to use was, being, made, being, and verb third form. Okay, not was, between was and being we have to use not. Okay, and here was को पहले निकालना पड़ेगा. Okay, was tea being made by me? Next, past perfect. I had made tea. Okay, so tea tea had been made by me. Tea had been made by me. Okay, next, tea negative, tea had not been made by me. Next, interrogative, had tea been made by me? Okay, I had made tea, tea had been made. Okay, tea had not been made, had tea been made by me? Okay, next, past perfect continuous. Okay, we cannot convert it into passive voice, so now let's move to future. I shall make tea. Okay, I shall make tea. Tea will be made by me. Okay. Next, tea will not be made by me. Next, interrogative, will tea be made by me? Once again, I shall make tea. Tea will be made by me. Tea will not be made by me. Will tea be made by me? Next, future continuous. Okay. So normally we do not make the passive voice of future continuous. Okay. Next, future perfect. I shall have made tea. I shall have made tea. Okay. Tea will have been made by me. Okay. Tea will not have been made by me. Next, tea will not have been made by me. Okay, next interrogative. Will tea have been made by me? Will tea have been made by me? Okay, I shall have made tea. Tea will have been made by me. Tea will not have been made by me. Will tea have been made by me? Okay. So friends, this is all about active and passive voice. Okay, affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentence. Okay. So I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you. Thank you very much.